guide so we can sing the lead. Are you ready? Are you steady? Let's do this. Come on, Unison. Ready? You could have a steam train. Off we go. You could have a steam train if you just lay down your tracks. You could have an airplane flying if you bring your blue sky back. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Hi Bernie, how you doing? You could have a Big Dipper going up and down all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer, and this will be my testimony. Oh, right, show me around, ready? Show me around your fruit cage. My timing's not great with the guitar, I have to say. I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Chorus again, here we go. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer, and this will be my testimony. Oh, you need a big breath for that. Ready? I kick the habit. Are we going up in stairs? I kick the habit, kick the habit, kick the habit. Shed my skin, shed my skin. This is the new stuff, is the new stuff, is the new stuff. I go dancing, everybody. We go dancing in. Won't you show for me? Hiya. Show for me. I will show for you. And again. Show for you. Won't you show for me? Harmony. Show for me. I will show for you. Okay, that last line. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Nice. Beautiful, beautiful. Well done, you guys. Lovely. You've just thrown you in the deep end and you're swimming beautifully. So well done, well done. Okay, so we're going to do it again. This time, the harmony. So if you are singing the lead, there is the lead to latch onto here. And if you're singing the harmony, just latch onto what I'm doing right this very moment. So let's try that again. Okay, everybody all right? Let me know. You can comment. I can, you know, if you need a... I was going to say a ventilator. But no, this is a very poorly timed comment. So if you need like another bit looked at or just going over again, something like that, just let me know and I can, no, I'm miles behind on my laptop about comments. Great, thumbs up, thank you, that's good to hear. All right then, you ready? Let's do this. Harmony time, here we come. Are we coming? Yes, here we go. You could have a steam train. It comes in early, doesn't it? If you just lay down your tracks, you could have an aeroplane flying. If you bring your blue sky back, all you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Big Dipper? You could have a Big Dipper going up and down. Going up and down, all around the bends. You could have a bumper car bumping. This amusement never ends. Same note there, lovely. I wanna be, this is just the lead, and then now harmony. Your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name is just the lead. Why don't you call my name? And oh, let me be is the lead. Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. Harmony now. And this will be my testimony. Excellent. Show me round. Show me round your fruit cage. Yes, I will be your honeybee. Open up your fruit cage, where the fruit is as sweet as can be. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. All right. Chorus again. Lead. I wanna be your sledgehammer. Why don't you call my name? Oh, let me be your sledgehammer. And this will be my testimony. All right, stepping stones, higher. Wait. I kick the habit, kick the habit, kick the habit. Shed my skin. This is the new stuff. Here's the new stuff. Here's the new stuff. I go dancing. Everybody, we go dancing in. Won't you show for me? Hi. Show for me. I will show for you. Show for you. Won't you show for me? Show for me. I will show for you. Okay, the lead line first. All you do is call me. Oh, that's a bit loud. I'll be anything you need. Second time round with the harmony now. All you do is call me. I'll be anything you need. Oh, it's a good sentiment for the day, isn't it? If anybody needs a call, I'll be there. I'll give you a call, definitely. I'm just constantly calling at the moment, which is the only way to do things, I think. Hello, hello, hello. Love this. Oh, hi, Tracy. Nice to have you with us. So that's great. Yeah, lovely song. I mean, you can't go wrong, really. Peter Gabriel, a god. So what we're going to do now is go back to the quiz, actually, because I'm not seeing the second answer, second part of this. No one knows. Not Kate Bush, the other female singer. Kate Bush was right, but I'm looking for the other female singer on the album. So, any ideas? No. And also, yeah, Lean on Me. I think we're just going to forget that. Shall I just tell you who it was? It was a band called Club Nouveau. Yes, where are they now, eh? All right.